Welcome back, and we continue with distance on the Earth's surface. There is a point that can be very tricky when calculating distance on the Earth's surface. When the point lies on the hidden side of the globe or on a sphere. Let's consider a point A and B. A is on the visible side. B is on the invisible side. So I have drawn three longitudes, the red one, which is the prime meridian, the blue one, which is 20 degrees west, and a green one, which is 40 degrees east. Consider the 20 degrees west. On this side, it is 20 degrees. On this side, the longitude is 20 degrees west. But when it goes to the other side, it will no longer be 20 degrees west, it will now be the supplement, which is what? 160 degrees east. So that means point A, for example, let's look at the coordinates of point A. The coordinates of point A, it lies on 50 degrees north and lies on 40 degrees east. While point B lies on 50 degrees north, and let's go back there to the diagram, lies on 50 degrees north, but because this is 20 degrees west, its continuation will be 160 degrees east. So B lies on 160 degrees east. From here, we need to determine the angle subtended by arc AB. The angle subtended by arc AB is APB. Let's go back to the diagram. APB. If this is 40 degrees east, all the way up to 160 degrees east, the angle between them is 160 minus 40. This is from here, you start from 40 degrees, you continue until you reach 160, then you'll have covered 120 degrees east. This is why you say angle APB is 160 minus 40, which is 120 degrees. And therefore, arc length AB will be 120 over 360 times 2 times 22 over 7 times 6370 cos 50, because it lies on a small circle. So I think that part needs to be clarified when you're considering points on the hidden side of the globe. Point C equally is on the hidden side. Let's try to locate point C here. Point C lies on 50 degrees north, and let's go back to the diagram. If this is 40 degrees east, its continuation on the other side will be the supplementary angle of 40 degrees, which is, so point C lies on this side, it is 40 degrees east. When it continues to the other side, it becomes 140. So C lies on 140 degrees. If this was east, then it lies on the west. Lies on the west. And therefore, the angle between, now let's look therefore at arc length DC. D is 50 degrees north and 20 degrees west. So the difference, the angle subtended by, let's come here, the angle subtended by arc length DC is the angle from 20 degrees west to 140 degrees west, which difference is 140 minus 20, giving us 120. 140 minus 20 is 120. So the arc length again becomes 120 over 360 times 2 times 22 over 7 times 6370 cos 50. So that part of the the hidden places or the hidden points of a sphere, it's important to know how those things, that the angles change and how to calculate the angle subtended by the arc length. We'll stop at that and we'll continue in the next part of the video. Thank you.